Are you a busy gardener looking for low-maintenance plants? Then you're in the right place. We understand the need for plants that require minimal upkeep, especially for those with packed schedules. Today, we'll reveal 5 top low-maintenance plants. Ready to discover these time-saving gems? Hold on to your garden gloves. First up, meet the snake plant, a real survivor in the plant world. Thriving in minimal light and requiring infrequent watering, it's a dream for those with a busy schedule. Plus, it purifies the air. Bonus! The snake plant, an undemanding companion for any busy gardener. Next, say hello to the ZZ plant, another powerhouse of resilience. This plant thrives in low light and tolerates drought with ease. Its glossy green leaves bring an elegant touch to any space. The ZZ plant, a low-maintenance beauty that's hard to kill. Moving on to pothos, a popular choice among both novice and experienced gardeners. This adaptable plant thrives in various lighting conditions, needing water only when its soil is dry. Its fast-growing trailing vines are perfect for hanging baskets. Pothos, an easygoing plant that adds a touch of nature to your home. Up next is the jade plant, a charming low-maintenance succulent. Its thick, fleshy leaves store water, perfect for those who might forget to water now and then. Sunlight is its best friend. Jade plant, a cheerful addition to your garden that asks for little in return. Last but not least, meet the spider plant, a classic that never goes out of style. Adaptable to various light conditions, it thrives in well-drained soil. With arching leaves and baby plantlets, propagation is a breeze. Spider plant, a fuss-free friend that keeps on giving. So there you have it, 5 low-maintenance plants perfect for busy gardeners. These green gems, snake plant, ZZ plant, pothos, jade plant, and spider plant not only brighten up your space but also demand very little of your time. They are resilient, thrive under various conditions, and can enhance the aesthetic appeal of any room. Gardening has never been this easy. Enjoyed the video? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!